Did you know a single sheet of paper could be worth over $100,000 to you as a veteran? Most veterans don't. But today, we're going to tell you how to change that. In this video, we're revealing how this single sheet of paper is more than just a piece of paper. It's a golden key to benefits you may not even know exist. From cash for school, to zero-down home loans, to free mental health care, if you're not using this form correctly, you're leaving life-changing support on the table. Let's get into it. Your DD-214, officially called the Certificate of Release or Discharge from Active Duty, is basically your veteran resume. It shows your service dates, discharge status, and awards. But what does it really do? It unlocks access to everything from healthcare to education to housing. Without your DD-214, you can't access most VA benefits. It's your proof of service, and many veterans don't realize how many doors it opens. So here's your first action step. Make sure you have both a physical and digital copy of your DD-214 stored somewhere secure and accessible. Ever heard of the post-9/11 GI Bill or the Montgomery GI Bill? Most veterans have. But here's the part they miss. Vocational training and certifications can be 100% covered. That means you can become an EMT, welder, software developer, or network engineer without going into debt. Mike, a Navy vet, didn't want a 4-year degree. He used his DD-214 to access VR and E benefits, got certified as an HVAC tech, and now makes over $80K a year. If you're getting value out of this, hit the like button so more vets can find this video and take action too. Your DD-214 is your ticket to VA healthcare. If you had active duty service and received an honorable discharge, you're eligible. That means routine checkups, prescriptions, mental health services, PTSD, anxiety, substance abuse. Veterans are eligible for free therapy and mental health support through the VA. All it takes is your DD-214 and an application. Go to va.gov and apply for healthcare using your DD-214. It's faster than you think, and you don't have to wait until there's a problem. Imagine buying a house with zero down. That's the VA Home Loan Program. With your DD-214 and a certificate of eligibility, you can buy with no down payment, skip private mortgage insurance, access lower interest rates. Over 23 million veterans are eligible for a VA loan, but only a fraction use it. Why? Because they don't know their DD-214 unlocks it. Connect with a VA-approved lender and ask what documents you need. Your DD-214 is always step one. Want to work in tech, cybersecurity, or another high-demand field? Programs like Vet Tech pay for your training and help you get hired. Heather, a former Army medic, used her DD-214 to get into Vet Tech. 6 months later, she landed a remote job in cybersecurity making $72K per year. Plus, your DD-214 gives you access to job placement help, resume writing support, and priority in federal hiring. Visit careeronestop.org or your local American Job Center and ask about veteran-specific employment services. Every state offers its own veteran perks. Think about property tax exemptions, free hunting, fishing licenses, state college tuition waivers, bonus cash payments. But here's the kicker. You must prove service with your DD-214. Google your state veterans benefits and contact your State Department of Veterans Affairs. You'll be surprised at what's out there. Drop a comment and tell us what state you're in. We'll reply with a link to your specific benefits for your state. Your DD-214 is more than just proof of service. It's a passport to benefits that can change your life. Today we covered education benefits like VR and E and GI Bill, VA healthcare including mental health, home ownership with no down payment, employment programs like Vet Tech, state-specific perks you might not know exist. If you've learned even one thing today, subscribe to the channel. We put out content every week to help veterans maximize their benefits and avoid the red tape. Share this with another vet who might not know what their DD-214 is worth. You could change someone's life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.